My name is Karen Spruill, and I'm the chef here at the Thyme and Tide Cafe, and today we are going to be making a North Carolina style pimento cheese. What you will need for your pimento cheese is 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of salt, a half a teaspoon of Deli Mustard, and the pimentos. When you start your pimento cheese, you need to take out your cream cheese for about an hour before you make it so it'll get nice and soft. Then we want to add our cheddar cheese, our Parmesan cheese, our Worcestershire, our black pepper, Deli Mustard, a pinch of salt, and the pimentos, which I roasted earlier today. We knead it together with your hands. You marry it together and mix it together until you don't see the white of the pimento cheese, because it'll all be blended in. And what gives us this color is the pimentos, along with the cheddar. What makes this pimento cheese is so good is that it's got so much flavor. The pimentos bring it out. You can't really taste the mustard or the Worcestershire sauce. It's just the blend of all the cheeses in there together. You can put it in a sealed container, and it'll be good for a week in the refrigerator, up to 7 days. A lot of people will do a grilled cheese with it. They will have a grilled cheese with bacon with it. Other than that, it's just a sandwich, or we'll take and put a small scoop out with crackers as a snack.